today my favorite all-time pancake. It's Lilikoi cheesecake pancakes. As you all may know, I live in Hawaii. And here in Hawaii, like one of the staples or one of the things that the locals eat a lot of here is Lilikoi cheesecake. And Lilikoi cheesecake is pretty much passion fruit cheesecake. So what I'm gonna do is put my spin on it and make you guys a Lilikoi cheesecake pancake. So I have here some self-rising flour. For exact ingredients and measurements, you can go to my website, miahjay.com, and the link is in the description box. So again, I have here some self-rising flour. I'm gonna add to my self-rising flour a tablespoon of sugar. And we're gonna do here 1 egg, about 3/4 of a cup of oil. So we're gonna put this oil in here. Should be good. And then I have some half and half that I'm gonna pour over in here. And we're just gonna whisk. Now, when you're making your pancake batter at home, if you like your pancakes a little bit thicker, then you can, of course, play with it and add a little bit more flour. If you like thinner pancakes, then you can add a little bit more milk or cream. Now, you do want your pancake batter to be kind of on the thick side. And see how this kind of, it comes down, but not too much. That's gonna make for a really good fluffy pancake. Now, I got that done. I'm gonna add some rum extract. And I'm gonna do probably about, teaspoon, sorry. And then I have here some butter extract. It's gonna give the pancakes a really, really buttery flavor. And when you're dealing with the pancakes, you can't forget the vanilla extract. You gotta have that. Let me shake this a bit. And I'm gonna let this sit for a couple minutes so all of this can come together. And in the meantime, I'm gonna get started on my cheesecake topping. Now, my cheesecake topping is just a simple cream cheese with a little bit of lemon juice. And I have here some Lilikoi, which is passion fruit jelly, that I'm gonna put in the microwave, melt a little bit, and pour it in my mix. Now, and I'm gonna take and add some to my cream cheese. Not a whole lot. And a little bit of sugar, just for some additional sweetness. And then I have some lemon juice. And I'm gonna squeeze over in here. And then I'm gonna mix. So now I have my cheesecake mixture all mixed together, nice and smooth. I'm gonna take and set it to the side and go ahead and start making my pancakes. So when you see the bubbles kind of starting to form at the top of your pancakes, that's how you know when to go ahead and flip them over. I think this one is kind of ready, so go ahead and flip this one. And it's just an easy flip. See how beautiful that is? Nice golden brown. These are done. And I'm gonna do a 4-layer stack. So, this one. I'm just gonna move this over here and turn it off. And so I'm gonna take one pancake, set it here, take a spoonful of my cream cheese mixture, just do a dollop right here in the center. Grab another pancake here, Set it on top and smash it down. Then I'm gonna take some of this cream cheese mixture. Oh my God, this is gonna be so good. Just kind of put a nice little dollop here and just kind of push it to the edge. Like, I love cream cheese. If you're a cream cheese lover, you're gonna love this recipe. You're never gonna look at pancakes the same. Give it a nice little design going on here. You just kind of want to just get it to the ends. Then I have for you guys some macadamia nuts that I ground up. They're toasted and buttered. And you can find these at any of your local grocery stores. And take it and just sprinkle some of that on top. And then I have my passion fruit jelly. And I'm just gonna kind of go along the sides here. Just get a little bit on. This is gonna add a little additional sweetness. And everybody loves cherries. Put a nice little cherry on top. And voila, we have here our Lilikoi cheesecake pancakes. Can't wait to dig in.